Iron County in south-central Upper Michigan, southern Dickinson County in south-central Upper Michigan, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Florence, or 10 miles southeast of Crystal Falls, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Iron Mountain, Kingsford, and Kingsford around 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Norway.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7, online radio,